Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Tuesday, October 31. For the record, today is Monday, October 30. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So I think for the Dow Jones, the main question is what to think from this rally here. Did not really fit into our Elliott Wave count. From the perspective of the S&P 500, this rally makes sense. So if you follow my videos on the S&P 500 and also on the Nasdaq, then I told you in my higher time frame analysis that we could have some move up simply because the S&P 500 reached the extreme area of the wave 4. So any more downside would mean that the S&P 500 is not doing a wave 4 anymore in the higher time frame, and it would be a bit strange to simply crush this extreme boundary of the wave 4 area in the S&P 500 without any warning or without any reaction. And so if we need upside in the S&P 500, then of course we need upside in the Dow Jones, because the S&P 500 is something in between the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq. So from that point of view, if you look globally at the markets, this move up here can be explained, but it does not really fit into our current Elliott Wave count here for the Dow Jones, I would say. First of all, like, this is ending way too strong to be the end of wave 5 here, in my opinion. So we do not have divergence at all here. Also in the 4 hour, we do not see divergence. This looks actually the strongest wave down. So if we would stick to the wave A scenario, I mean doing a wave A down right here, so ending this wave 5, then we have to change this something like this. Then this has to be the wave 3, and this reaction here up can then be the wave 4. Does not really look nice as a wave 3, but I mean, it could be this here being a wave 3, and then here we are currently in wave 4 area. So then it would look like this, that we have the wave 4 right here. Of course, we cannot violate this upper boundary here, the 0.618 for retracement, and then we should come down from here again to do our fifth wave down, wave 5 of 5 of wave A. Another possibility is, of course, that we are here in the WXY scenario as indicated in red. Like I told you in my weekend analysis, this would be the fastest way to finish the corrective move we are doing in the higher time frame. And then what we could have, let me have a look. If I here on the 15 minutes. So then from this high here, this wave X high, so far we have a wave W, A, B, C down, wave X up, shallow wave X, I know, but then from here we could again have a corrective structure down, and because this is ending so strong, I would label it as WXY structure from here. So let me have a look. Something like this here. Yeah. So let's put this in the right degree. Yeah. So, and then, so WXY, no, I'm sorry. I mean, of course, like this here. Yeah, this is the right representation. So wave W, wave X, and then here this wave Y is playing out as another WXY structure. So three waves, 1, 2, 3. So that would be my interpretation of the current move we're having. So that would mean from here, this was only the wave 3, and this reaction up is a wave 4, or we are doing a WXY structure, and then we have wave W, wave X, and wave Y down to end this wave Y. And then another possibility, but a possibility, yeah, which we should take into account. But look, what could happen is this here is our wave 2 area. As you can see, we came quite close, as you can see. And so for the moment, I will not put this on my chart, but we could take this into account, where we only have like a shallow wave Y. If we are doing this in 3, 1, 2, 3, then this structure here could be complete, as we are close to the wave 2 area, as we have 3 swings here, W, X, Y. It does not really look nice, but it would align with the triple tree scenario in the S&P 500 and in the Nasdaq. So if you're not aware of these kind of scenarios, please have a look at my S&P 500 videos and my Nasdaq videos. This would be the only way to explain the end of the correction here in the higher time frame. But to be honest, I don't really like it, and it's way too early to put this on the charts. The only way I would, or what do I need to change my mind and to call for the end of the correction in the higher time frame, is that we get some kind of impulsive structure up right here. This would be a first indication. But like I said, it is way too early. I'm just sharing this with you. As you know, in my videos, I just share everything that's going on in my mind. This is also necessary if you want to have, or if you want to make good forecasts. So that's also a possibility we could think about. But for now, I would simply stick to this here on the lower time frame. More downside. And then this here is our wave 3. If we are doing the wave 5 of wave A, or if we are doing the WXY structure, then this is simply a three wave move down, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.